Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. It's English quiz time. So let's start the video. Who is the room? Option A, on. Option B, in. Option C, over. Answer is in. Option B, in the room. Dash is your name. Where, who, what? The answer is option C. What is your name? Dash do you live? Who, where, what? Answer is option B. Where do you live? Dash are you? Who, what, where? The answer is option A. Who are you? And you also can write option C. Where are you? Dash are you angry? Who, why, what? The answer is option B. Why are you angry? I'll dash you. Option A, saw. Option B, see. Option C, seeing. So correct answer is option B. I'll see you. I'll dash video. Option A, watch. Option B, see. Option C, seeing. So the answer is option A, watch. I'll watch your video. Whenever we watch anything on screen, so we always use the word watch. I dash walking. I is walking. I am walking. I are walking. The correct answer is option B. I am walking. They dash playing. Option A is, option B am, option C are. The answer is option C. They are playing. It dash a box. Is, am, are. The correct answer is option A is. It is a box. She dash a girl. Is, am, are. Option A is the correct answer. She is a girl. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the share this video with your family and friends.